Hello and a very warm welcome to this Miva user report. My name is Lisa Weisheit, and I am here today visiting Amthor Bakery near Kassel, Germany. By the way, there's something special about this particular bakery. Amthor Bakery was the very first field test customer for the brand new generation of the well-established deck oven Miva Ideal, which has been available on the market since 2024. We're going to take a much closer look at that today.
In 1899, our great-great-grandfather, Gustav Amthor, founded the Amthor Bakery in Trendelburg. Last year, we celebrated our 125th anniversary, which is a long tradition. On a daily basis, we produce around 30 to 40,000 bread rolls, 3,000 loaves of bread, and about 5,000 sweet pastries, cakes, and so on. It is very important to me that we continue working with traditional recipes that have been passed down. Of course, we connect it with modern technology, but the fundamental essence must still be the original craft, using proper sourdough. We only employ machines where the baker's hands simply cannot do it any better. In 2014, the Simon family approached us, requesting our assistance with their new construction project. So we incorporated and planned the innovative Miva technology, specifically the Econova heat recovery system. And the Miva thermostatic, which is based on thermal oil, was also added. We bake with top and bottom heat and effectively push our baking racks right through, batch after batch. The hot thermal oil is always available. We don't need to wait for long heating times, so we can be as fresh as possible for the customer by being able to start baking as late as we possibly can. Miva was searching for a customer with very high-quality standards, a young, innovative bakery, one that was essentially prepared to thoroughly test out the new technology. It was a perfect match. The Simon family wanted to expand their baking area anyway, and so we conducted the field test here with the Miva Ideal and the Miva Athlete automatic loading machine starting from the conveyor belt. In 2021, we first started thinking about purchasing new ovens. Miva completely understood the exact program that we needed. We wanted to use peel boards. We wanted a pickup. We wanted an Athlete. We wanted to make our work much easier. Since Miva offered us the field test, we decided to take 3 Miva Ideal deck ovens instead of just 2. We found out that the new ovens are significantly more energy efficient, consuming even 10% less. We also use less steam, which means we achieve a better gloss and higher volume in our products. We would definitely participate again anytime. This is our Gustav bread, our premium product, which we only produce on Thursdays and Fridays. This is a bread made from a 3-stage sourdough starter. It's based on the original recipe by Gustav Amthor from the year 1899. It's very important to us that it has a proper crust, both on the top and the bottom. That's why we bake it in our Miva Ideal deck oven. What I particularly like about the Miva Ideal is that I have all the baking parameters bundled here on this tablet and don't constantly have to walk 30 meters from oven to oven, where you'd always have to check every single display individually. I have the complete control right here on this control cabinet. With the tablet, I can control and operate all 3 ovens individually. Right now, I'm handing the loaves over to the loader, which then ultimately passes them to the Miva Athlete, which then drives fully automatically to the ovens and loads them. The physical relief is immense, and without the Miva Athlete, I honestly can't imagine doing this job anymore. Right here, I'm about to give the loading command, and now you'll see the Athlete drive off and push the loaves into the pre-selected oven. While it is on its way, I can comfortably place the next loaves onto the conveyor here. And finally, wait until the Athlete is back in the starting position. Ultimately, it is an asset to the company, and I would highly recommend every bakery to get such a device, if space allows.